Here's some big breaking news coming in. Inside track now of Election Commission meeting with health officials. Niti Aayog member VK Paul has told Election Commission that in the current situation, large rallies and road shows should not be held. Election Commission wants political rallies to stop. In fact, here we're looking at COVID cases catapulting in the country. Close to 90,000 odd COVID cases on the whole reported in India. At a time like this, the Election Commission panel was to meet to decide on elections dates. Now, the inside track that India Today has accessed of the Election Commission's meeting with health officials, Niti Aayog member, we understand, VK Paul has opposed to election rallies. In fact, VK Paul has told Election Commission that in the current situation, large rallies and road shows should not be held. Election Commission wants political rallies to stop. Here, the Niti Aayog's VK Paul opposing to election rallies. Aishwarya Paliwal tracking this news gives us a perspective there. Aishwarya, here Election Commission now in a meeting, we understand Niti Aayog's VK Paul has said that he does not favor political rallies. That's very well understood, but will direction come from the Election Commission banning election rallies? That will be a big move. Anything's expected on those lines?
Well, we are expecting the Election Commission to take a very clear stand on what will happen with regards to large road shows and rallies. From what I can gather from the meeting which is taking place at the moment, the Commission understands what will happen, especially in these 5 states. Now, let me tell you, Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan is also inside the Commission. In fact, over the past week, he has been sending reports every day, especially from the 5 poll-bound states. He's been given reports to the Commission, and we are seeing 2-3-fold rise, especially in these states. So, from what I can gather, it looks like there will be a ban on large road shows and election. From what I can also understand, we will see that the Commission might also ask the political parties to stop it themselves. If political parties do not adhere to what the Election Commission has to say, we will see a blanket ban on rallies. Commission also in favor of asking the parties to go on a virtual mode, and that is what most of the parties are also planning to do. We are still awaiting an official response, but that's what we are gathering from our sources, Nabila, at the moment. Very keenly, election rallies are being looked at inside health.
Right.
Officials are also talking about the potential of what can happen if people gather. Nabila.
Undoubtedly, Aishwarya, thank you very much for joining us with those details. But we know that election rallies are only going to be